guys, welcome to another review. I'm at McDonald's, at Walmart, at Dartmouth Crossing. I'm going to be trying the other McTaster, the Thai sweet chili chicken. And in honor of National Cheeseburger Week at McDonald's. I know if you have the McDonald's app and you use it to order something, when you're at the restaurant on the app, you get a free cheeseburger. So this is my free cheeseburger. Before getting into that, if you guys are watching this and you love fast food reviews, Japanese snacks, interested in what kind of food or snacks we have here in Canada, then you guys want to hit that notification bell and hit for all notifications. That way you guys don't miss a video. I really encourage you guys to subscribe. You'll love this channel and all these videos, these food reviews, and you will check us out. Without further ado, I'm going to try at the start of the show here. I just want one try. And it's upside down. It's okay. So this is it here. So just like, you guys a close look here. Try. No? Okay, we're going to give this a shot. I love the sweet chili sauce. It's really nice. Let me say some fresh. I like the Mexican one. Oh yeah, I've got a strawberry banana fruit smoothie. I think I like this better than the Mexican one. The Mexican one's really good. This one's nice and sweet and fresh bun. I like the bun and all the veggies on it. And the dressing is really, really good. I really encourage you guys to try this. Again, it's $3 something, I believe, before tax in Canada. I don't think they have these in the States. If you guys ever visit Canada, while they have them here, they're only on for a limited time now. I encourage you guys to try it. And in honor of National Cheeseburger Day, which was earlier this week, try a cheeseburger. And I forgot to mention before, you have until September 24th to get your free cheeseburger at McDonald's in Canada. Just got a regular cheeseburger with extra pickles. Cheers. Very good. I'm sorry guys, I forgot to give my rating on the chicken. 1 second. So I'm going to give the chicken a 5 out of 5 stars. Really encourage you guys to try it. And now you've reached the end of the video, guys. Don't forget to get all the way to the end there. It gives you guys another video to check out. I really appreciate it. Also, you share this video, comment, subscribe if you're not subscribed, and check out the links down below. Bye, guys.